This is the Star Wars radio flyer, Luke Skywalker's Landspeeder. Bought this at Toys R Us right before they were closing. I got this at 50% off. Assembly was pretty easy, took about 10 minutes. Using only these two tools. Instruction manual right here. There is a high-speed switch where you can, an adult, you can take that off so your kids don't go too fast. One thing you have to notice is after you charge it, you should tuck in the power cords like this so you can get the seat down. So the seat just snaps right in. Otherwise you don't want to bend your cords and stuff. You just take a screwdriver, turn it, and lock it. And you're good to go. So I've already assembled this. It took about 15 minutes with two tools, a screwdriver and a wrench. Here's some buttons.
There are several creatures approaching from the southeast.
So this is the lever to go forward. Press on the gas pedal. Lever, push down to go back. Yep. I'll post a video of my son riding this. But this is it. Radio flyer, Luke Skywalker Landspeeder. Here's some of the details. It has the dent in the front. Cool engine design. Missing the top panel for the side. There's the back view. Pretty cool. Side trim. Man, I wish I was small so I can ride this. This is pretty awesome. Steering wheel. You have to assemble the steering wheel too. It's pretty easy. Go press it.